and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for the first timers, welcome! So now that I'm finally up to date with all these old videos, I can start posting today, now, real life, real-time content, okay? So today, oh, there's a stain, it's just water. So today I'm going to be doing a skincare routine. Yeah, because some people ask me, what I do with my skin or what I use on my skin. It's not perfect, let me tell you that, but I can't complain. So, are you guys ready? Let's go! So in the mornings, I normally brush my teeth, which I'm not showing you guys. Then I wash my face with cold water a couple times. Turn off the pipe, of course, save water. And then I get my face towel and pat dry my face. Pat, pat, pat. Pat some more. Okay, all done. Then I get my coconut oil. Organic coconut oil. Because I'm not going anywhere, it's a little bit, shiny. So whenever I'm not really going anywhere, I like to use this on my skin so it just soaks in all the moisture. I use about 2 drops of the coconut oil and rub it all over my face, forehead, everywhere. Rub, rub, rub. Rub it all in. Oh, and don't forget the neck area. That's a part of our face. So rubbing the coconut oil everywhere, let it soak all the moisture in because we rebuke ashiness in the name of the Lord. That's it. Okay, I'm kidding. That's all I do in the bathroom. But I'm gonna take it to the kitchen next. Let's go. Okay, so let's get started. Skincare for me means what I eat and what I put in my body because it's gonna show on the outside. So today we're gonna make celery juice. So I've already washed all of my ingredients. So we have celery, cucumber, apple, green apple, a lemon, and ginger, my all-time favorite. And then we're gonna use this juicer right here to make it. So I need to do a little bit more prep. I'm only gonna start with half of the cucumber and leave the skin on because the juicer will handle all of that. And because this is kind of long to fit in the juicer, cut it in half. And then the ginger now, have to peel it. I have my little peeler here. So let me go back over to the cutting board. And we have a piece of ginger. Alright, so for the apple now, I just have to cut it in quarters. Ensure the middle with the seeds are taken out. Alright, so all of the ingredients already. Let me show you. All right, so let's get the juicer all ready. All right, so this juicer is so awesome. So what I have to do is place the celery in the juicer. You can hold a couple more. All right, so let me bring it closer so you guys can see what's actually taking place. All right. So now I'm gonna put this like that. Turn on the juicer. See that? Oh yeah. Okay. So put more in there. The sound really scares me. It's a bit violent, so I just like to turn it on to make sure you know we're not gonna destroy the place. Alright. So let's put more things in there. Celery. Alright, I'm just gonna do the celery again. Just like to do it in portions. Then now I'm gonna use apples next. Just drop them in. They can all fit in the chute. So I'm gonna drop them all in here at once. Hold on, you guys are not seeing the juice getting in there, right? The apples are in here, so we're gonna turn it on again on level 3. Level 4 because it's a little bit more. Yes. I'm just gonna get the cucumber, the half. Ooh, you heard that? Yeah. The ginger. Last but not least, lemon. So now I'm going to get my glass to pour it in. Let me show you guys. This is what it looks like, all blended. So I like to strain it before drinking it because I don't want any like pieces in it. Even though, you know, there's barely anything in there, but it's just to be extra clear. So what I'm gonna do now, pour it in my mason jar. To make it extra cold, I'm gonna add 2 cubes of ice, and voila! We have a full cup of lovely skin, clear skin. And now let's sample it. Really good. Cheers! And remember guys, you are what you eat, so I suggest eating clean all the time, or not all the time, most times, because we all have our days or cheat days. So we are what we eat, and it reflects outward. Drink up your green juices, your celery juice, your fruit juices, and you'll see your skin look better. Try it for 7 days. Trust me, you'll see. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know what you think. And when you make yours, let me know how it tastes and if you'd like to see more of this. All right, guys, bye.